Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create a Cash App account. First, you need to download the app. You can download the app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on search. Now start searching Cash App. Now over here you can tap on install. After you tap on install, next what you can do is you can enter contact info, open the app and enter your phone number or email address, and next you will receive a unique verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter it to proceed, and thirdly you can do is link a bank. The app will ask to link a debit card, and next add personal details. In this you need to enter your legal first and last name, date of birth and the last four digits of your social security number, and create a cash tag, and lastly set up pin. Like this you can create a Cash App account. If you still have any questions, comment down below.